It's an incredible warm fall weekend, so let's head out for another late season trip to Murphy's Point. It's warm, but it looks like rain as we run into some early weekend traffic in Ottawa. It's the second weekend of October, and the temperature is in the 20s, 70s for our American friends, so we need to get out. Excited to get the trailer set up, but first we need to fill the fresh water and dump the tanks. Last time we stayed here, we got a site that was huge, but really hard to get into. This time, we made sure to book with the big rigs. And here's our site. Too late to kayak, but let's go down to the boat launch to check out the water. Okay, time for some dinner. Good night. It's a little windy, but it's warm. Great day for kayaking. So let's get out there on the water. Fellow paddlers. Look at these fall colors. Wow, lots of little water bugs here skimming across the surface. Hey, check out that bridge. There's a hiking trail that goes all around Hog Bay. I wonder if that's a crane or a blue heron. Hog Bay was not only crucial for logging, but ore from nearby Silver Queen mica mine was brought to the loading docks on the bay and shipped along the Rideau waterway. The wooden ore was crucial in building what would become Canada's capital city of Ottawa. No one on the beach today, but there could be. The water is actually warm. It feels more like July than October. It's the last camping weekend of the year, and I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. kayaks in one last time. The season is officially over. Hard to tell the difference between an October day and a July day. Well, we're all hitched up. Let's see what the camera looks like on the roof of the trailer. We are the last trailer here. Murphy's Point Provincial Park is officially closed for the season when we pull out. But first, let's clean the tanks and get them ready to winterize.
That got you confused, didn't it?
It's always nice when someone tries to help. Just in case it's the end of season. Flushing everything out. Taking our time, making sure we get everything out of here. Alright, time to empty the tanks. It'd be good if we could get it completely emptied. We're doing the flushing here. See behind me. Got it hooked up. First time we've ever had a black tank flush. I've done everything back flushing before, so this is a big bonus for us, and hopefully not our last trip of the year, but if it is, we'll be all set. Clean tanks, let's get her home. We decided to bring it right to the storage instead of the driveway, just to save some time later. We still have a lot of work to do to get the trailer ready for the long Canadian winter, but that's another video. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. We release a new video every second Monday. We'd love for you to join us. Our next adventure is just around the corner.